Hello, my dear students. Welcome back on HD Learning Guru. Now we have to learn new chapter measurement. Right? Here we have to understand very basic concept regarding measurement through various example. We will see each and every example related to this chapter, right? And then you will get idea about measurement, right? Here we have to learn only basic understanding regarding this chapter. In next standard you will get next or highest level of this chapter. Here we have to understand basic related to this chapter through various example. Here I am taking next example, measurement. Sorry, longer and shorter. We have to find out which is longer and shorter, then you will understand uh, the measurement. What is measurement, right? What is measurement? How we can decide in first picture here, how we can decide which is shorter and which is longer, right? Here you can see, here are two pencils, here are two pencils, right? Here are two pencils, here are two ladder, right? How we can decide this is shorter and this is longer? Already we given here, this is shorter and this is longer, but we have to decide which is shorter and longer. There is, we have to use measurement, right? How much is length of this pencil, right? And how much length of this pencil? When you will measure, when you will measure the length of that pencil, then you will understand which is longer and which is shorter. Here you can see, here is the length of this pencil is 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and length of this pencil is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Which is more? Which is more? This 6 centimeter is longer than this 4 centimeter. Therefore our answer will be, or we have to understand which is shorter or longer. This is shorter and this is longer. Okay, now see next picture. In the next picture, here we have to find out same. In these two pictures, which is longer ladder or which is shorter ladder? Here we already given, this is shorter, this ladder is shorter. Why? We have to measure first. We have to measure, right? This is the length of this ladder, and here also we have to suppose the length of this ladder is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and length of this is 6 centimeter, right? 6 centimeter. Which is more, 6 or 10? 10 is 10 is more, right? 10 is more and 6 is short, right? Therefore 10 centimeter longer than 6 centimeter, right? Therefore comparing, when we compare with these two pictures with each other, this is shorter and this is longer, this is longer, right? This is longer, this is shorter, right? Now next we have to take the longer. See, here we have to take the longer. Already we learn or we measure which ladder is longer and which ladder is shorter, right? Here you can see again which, in the first picture we see which pencil is shorter and which pencil is longer. In the second picture also we see which ladder is longer and which ladder is shorter. Here also this is same, but we have to find out, right? Okay, take the longer, take the longer. Which leaf is longer, right? Here you can see this leaves is longer and this leaves is shorter, right? This leaves is shorter. You can measure the length and breadth of the leaves. Here also you can clearly see this is longer than this leaves, therefore you have to take in this line the length of the second leaves is longer than first leaves, right? Here there are two brooms, first one and second one. When you will measure the length of these two brooms, then you will find out the length of the first broom is longer than second leaves, right? Here you can see when the 8, suppose this has 8 centimeter length and second one is 5 centimeter, which is more, 8 centimeter, right? Therefore you have to tick mark this one. You have to tick mark first one, right? You have to tick mark first one. This is longer. Okay. Here are two chords. Here are two chords. This is first one and this is second one. This is second one. And we have to find out which is shorter. Here is one important word. Take the read carefully first. Then you will able to find the answer. Read the shorter. Sorry, take the shorter. We have to find out which is shorter chord. Here first chord and next picture, next second chord, right? Now first we have to see the length of that chord, length of that chord. In these two pictures you can clearly see first is longer and second one is shorter. Second one is shorter, therefore our answer will be second. This is shorter, right? This is shorter. You have to tick mark in a cell. Here you can see there is two picture of sugar cane, which is longer and which is shorter sugar cane, which is longer and which is shorter. For example, here you can see 1 2 3 4 5, and in this 1 2 3 4, this is one part is higher than this 4. Also the length of this sugarcane is more than or longer than this, therefore this is shorter and this is longer. We have to find out shorter, therefore second one is shorter. Now here you can see picture of jelly. This is the picture of jelly, right? Read first longest and shortest. Our headline is longest and shortest. Okay. Here are three chilies. Here are three red chilies, right? First, second, and three, right? This is the longest, right? This chili is longest in these three chilies, right? And this is the shortest. This is the shortest in these three chili, right? Now, take the longest, right? Here you can see three pictures of spoon, right? First one, second, and three. We have to find out, or we have to take the longest. This is first, second, and third. Which is longest? Can you imagine which is longest? Right? You have to first compare the length of these three spoons. How much is length? Right? How much is length? Suppose the length of this is 8 centimeter, length of this spoon is 10 centimeter, and length of this spoon is 7 centimeter. Now you can clearly decide which is longest spoon and which is shortest spoon. 10 means longest, 10 centimeter. The length of that spoon means that spoon is longest spoon in these three spoons, right? Our answer will be this. We have to take mark here. Next. Now, here we have three sweet corns. First, second, and third, right? Okay. Which is longest and which is shortest? You can clearly find out this sweet corn is shortest in these three sweet corns, and this is longest in these three sweet corns, and we have to take the longest. This is the longest, right? Okay. Now take the shortest. We have to find out which is shortest in these three stick. In these three sticks. Okay. Here is first one, second, and third. Which is shortest? First, when we comparing these three sticks with each other, then we have to observe how much is length of that stick, and then we will get idea which is shortest and which is longest stick in these three sticks, right? This is the longest and this is the shortest sticks in these three sticks. Okay, we have to find out shortest, therefore our answer will be this. Okay, ठीक है, right? This is the shortest. Now guys, and stop here, and we will see some of the next example in the next part. Enough for this part. We will meet back. Thank you.